Hey, welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines, and we're going to take a little walk. This is Pogi. Our disgustingly handsome but scruffy dog will not let us help him. Look at that dreadlock tail. Now it's time to be scared. A Filipino with a bolo running. So we're going down on some kind of, what for me as a city boy is some kind of farming experience. I tell her, just let me off the farming stuff. I'll make a video, but let me off the farming stuff. It's just a walk, it's just exercise. So she's carrying that blunt, what they call it a sword here, but of course it's not a sword, it's a bolo, and that one is probably made from a car leaf spring. And it's probably 50 or 60 years old. Now, because we're walking, all of the dogs come with us. How's this for a backyard? Over there you can see the windows on the right, 3 windows, that's our breakfast bar. And that little slash of silver is the roof of Nanay's house. And then over here, am I pointing, the 2 windows on their own, that's the extension. Now, the sun's about to go down soon. Look at that over there. Get behind the tree. And that's our sunset. Look at that. Wow. And that loud noise that you can hear is lovely. So it made us all very happy by coming back. See in the low spots. In the low spots is usually very green, lots of bushes and trees, usually where the creek is, where the water is. Okay, so I'm not a great lover of walking in this grass.
You notice, darling, the coconut and the other mountain is really growing now, right?
Is that where you had 100?
No?
Where did you have that 100
Over
planted?
here. But then it's the one there. There's some the owner of that area there. They have a caretaker that everyday cleaning. You know, everyday cleaning, and also they're doing some fertilizer.
Right.
You know, so that's the work of that person there, the one in charge of everything. So that's why you notice.
So they're taking care of.
Yeah. I think when we arrived here, it's just been. Remember, we went there to buy some bamboo, and it's just been started.
Mm-hmm.
You know, even in this area, it's not yet planted.
How
And
long
now-
ago was that? 3 or 4 years ago.
Yeah, 4 years ago or 5. And I think it's not dwarf. I'm not sure because people preferred not the dwarf coconut because the dwarf, if it's the bigger one, it takes longer. You know, and it's produced a lot.
Oh, so the
dwarf
smaller
would be-
ones. Yeah.
So there's an advantage and disadvantage on that. The one that is not dwarf, I think 15 years, you know. The dwarf is 5 years you can able to harvest. We planted 100 here, dwarf coconuts, which we're gonna
Let's
look
go
at.
see.
Dali, Daddy. Dali.
Coming, we're coming.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Somebody put the
Come on, Tiger. Stay away from those other dogs, you'll get beaten up.
So this one, these are the dwarf coconuts that we planted. You know, so I think I'm gonna buy some fertilizer of this and let Kuya Julio and Manurado clear that up. You know, like this one. Look at that. This is dwarf coconut. You know,
So that's a dwarf coconut.
yeah.
Saan man animot eh?
So by clearing it away,
Yeah,
it
clearing
helps.
it away, it helps, and then put some fertilizer. You need to clear the grass because if you let the grass there and then you put fertilizer, the one that will consume the fertilizer
It's the grass.
is the grass. So that's why you notice all of the on the other mountain it's all cleared up. So here, this is the video of you and Lovely clearing up on this one, and then we finish the video. So I
Yeah.
hold the camera. O tabangi siya kay mao nang inyong
No, I did tell you.
Saan na tibet?
bugunahan ang
I told you that I don't want to do the gardening stuff.
yeah, so this is the land that I got also because some of my siblings, I think 1 2 3 of my siblings, yeah, no, 4 of my siblings selling their share to me
Paghinay.
the other year. So that's what we able, Terrence and I decided to get it.
Paghinay.
But Terrence is not into cultivating or farming, you know. So I said to Manurado, just planted we get 100 of dwarf because it's from here all the way to the other side. So Lovely is telling Terrence to be careful.
You know that I have a very good bolo that's under the seat in the truck now. And I had it sharpened today.
Oh,
No, let me do it, darling. Now stop owing.
Yo?
yeah. So we're hoping that 5 years from now they'll grow, but it needs to be taken care of. Because this grass is the one that consumes the nutrients.
I'm sure that there are more blunt tools in the world than this one.
I agreed.
This is probably the most.
Yeah, so as I says, we're hoping to get more pineapple later on, you know, because my plan is to plow this area and planted some pineapple so it will be totally cleared, you know, but I'm still undecided.
That's
So
true.
we wait until I finally able to work it out, you know, because you know, it's a huge area here.
Nagtiang.
It's a huge area. You know, Manurado is more on that side there, which is on the rice field and some vegetable that he can able to sell every Wednesday, market day. Yeah, so you want to visit our new neighbor there, darling? That's Tiger over there. You want to go there a little bit?
No, honey, we're going to be dark soon.